upsetting. Very upsetting for my life. I know I'm almost like, I said I'm going to do it at least for an hour, but I don't know what happened yet. I don't know what happened. Thank you guys. We normally don't eat much beef. I've just been eating chicken. Um, but because we're doing celebrating my mom's birthday, so now I'm cooking sinigang for everyone. It's a Filipino dish. So this is my version of my sinigang. Sinigang. So we cook like beef sinigang maybe once or twice a year. So like I said, I don't cook too much of beef. Most of them I cook chicken. Chicken. I think I'll make it at 4. I need to be out of here by 4 o'clock. It's really don't know what happened there. So I went and bought like 2 chunks of this soup. Um, like $14 each. And then 1 pack of the like the bone. Um, because it's neck bone. It's really good for for soup. I don't know. Let me do this. I thought. So thank you guys. I guess I'll restart my